Hey everyone, welcome to the video of question number 12 of thermodynamics series. So as you might see the question number 39 which is the modules number, but actually for this series the question should be 12. Now you can see the question on board and this is a very interesting and good question where integration is needed. Now let's read out the question. 2 moles of an ideal gas is heated at constant pressure of 1 atmosphere, okay, from 27 to 127 degrees centigrade. So let's first do one thing. T1, that is initial temperature, is 27 degrees centigrade. So if I just want to change this to Kelvin, this will be 300 Kelvin, right? Now T2, final temperature is 127 degrees centigrade, which is nothing but 400 Kelvin. So this is the change, 300 to 400. So what is delta T? The change is 400 minus 300, that is 100 Kelvin ka change hai. So can we find out W? Work done? Obviously we can. So W equals to, the formula is minus NR into delta T. When it is, isobaric process, we can use this formula, minus NR delta T. So minus N. N is, the N is 2, right? 2 moles. This. R will be given, it is joule. So obviously 8.314. And delta T is 100. We just got it. So this will be minus 8 2 6 16. Now 1662.8 joule. This will be your W. That means this is the work done of this process. Now पूछा क्या है? Q पूछा है. So from first law of thermodynamics, can we write delta U is equals to Q plus W? So W तो निकल गया. Now I have to find delta U. Delta U क्या होती है? Minus N into CV dt, right? N CV into dt. Now see यहाँ पे ना एक प्रॉब्लम है, माइनस एन विच इज 2 इनटू इंटीग्रेशन करना होगा क्योंकि दो टेम्परेचर रेंज में पूछा है फ्रॉम 300 टू 400 के बीच में. दिस इज अ फंक्शन, सो यू हैव टू पुट इट इन इंटीग्रेशन. सो दिस विल बी 20 प्लस 10 टू द पावर माइनस 2 t. 20 plus 10 to the power minus 2t. Just a second. So this is given 20 plus 10 to the power minus 2 into t. So there is no first bracket. T into dt. And what is the range of that integration? So the range is, this is finite integration, right? 300 Kelvin to 400 Kelvin. So you have to solve this. If we can solve this, we can solve delta U, and then we can just plug in the values there. So this will be minus 2 into, इनको separate करना पड़ेगा, तो this will be 400, 300 and 20 will come out, and this will be dt plus 10 to the power minus 2 will come out, and this will become t square, t dt, x dx, this will be x square by 2, right? So t square by 2, 300 to 400. Now let's try solving this. So this will be minus 2, this is 20 into dt, dt matlab t2 minus t1 which is 100 plus 10 to the power minus 2 by 2 into, this will be t square, that means 400 square minus 300 square. 400 square matlab 1600 and then again those zeros minus 90000. This is what you have to solve. So this will be minus, why minus? This should not be minus. Sorry for that. So this will be NCV dt. So this will be 2. This will be normal 2, 2. So 2, this will be 2000 plus 16 minus 9, that means 7, right? 7 और 2 0 तो यहाँ से कैंसिल हो गया, तो यहाँ पे रहेगा 700 by 2. So finally 2 into 2000 plus 350. So this will be 2350 into 2. So this will be 0, 4700 जूल. So this is the delta U in CVDT formula से आया 4700 joule. So we got delta U. Now we are zooming in. So delta U मिल गया equals to Q plus W. डेल्टा U का वैल्यू कितना आया 4700 जूल इक्वल्स टू Q और W का वैल्यू आया -1662.8 दिस. तो यहाँ से Q मिल जाएगा Q इज दिस प्लस दिस, ये प्लस होके आ जाएगा एंड देयरफॉर इट विल बी 0.8 and this will be 2, this will be 6, 3, 6. So 6362.8 that will be your answer joule. और अगर किलो जूल में आंसर पूछे तो you can write it 6.3 something like that. So this was the question जहाँ पे आपको एक बार डेल्टा यू निकालना था from NCBDT, बट यहाँ पे इंटीग्रेशन होगा. एक बार आपको वर्क डन निकालना था, इन दोनों को प्लस माइनस करके from the first law formula you could get Q. So thank you so much for watching the video.